everybody. Today we are back again with my team.
Yeah.
So
Today's
challenge is Q&A. So we are going to ask some
questions.
general knowledge, and also from India as well as from Darjeeling, because we belong to Darjeeling. So we have some easy question, not that much hard. So okay, let's start
now. So first team will the team is me and Upali.
Yeah, and team B is me and Ranjita.
Winners. So
Yeah.
the B will go first.
Okay, we will go first. Okay.
So you guys have to sit here. Then we will ask you the question from
Okay.
there.
No
Okay.
problem.
Hope you guys will enjoy.
Thank you. मेरे पेपर तल.
Ding 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 ding. Whenever wrong one.
Let me start with the easy one. I know you guys are intelligent. अब भन यो त पहिल्यैदेखि पढेर आएको हो.
Only one was
Full form of board mass.
bracket
Okay.
Bracket
of
division,
yeah.
Okay.
multiplication,
No, BO division.
division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
Yeah.
Yay! First 1 point goes to
Team B.
Team A.
Team A.
Yes.
So let's start. The first question is national motto of India.
Satyameva Jayate.
Correct. Okay.
My personal favorite.
Okay.
So he is my favorite freedom fighter.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, freedom fighter. Who said, Minu, ready?
Yes.
Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Not Mahatma Gandhi though.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yeah!
So for movie that was
That was shot in Darjeeling.
in Darjeeling, yeah.
Okay, one I know, Burfi.
Okay.
Another one is.
बर्फी
यस्तो गर्ने क्या हो?
मैं हूं ना
Okay.
राजू बन गए जेंटलमैन
And
चोरर चांद
Yeah.
हिरोहरु पनि भनिदियो किनभने चाहिँ
Correct.
स्कुल भागी
So out of how many questions? Seven.
Seven. Yeah.
7 questions.
2 is done. We are
all right. Okay.
Team A.
Team A.
Now comes the tan.
Now I will give you
Very easy.
very easy. This one is also very easy.
Okay.
So what is photosynthesis? Define
Oh my
photosynthesis.
God. Photosynthesis is a plant. I don't know something.
Okay. Yes, you are going good. But you have to tell the full definition.
Process, yeah. The plant which absorb sun.
Okay.
That is photosynthesis.
And then what they do?
And they. What they
It's a
do?
process where it produces, it gets sun and then it gives
Carbon
dioxide.
Right?
So-
And then
No.
and then
At night.
yeah,
they give
Oxygen.
oxygen.
and
But in
that
it's a process actually.
it's
Wrong.
it's a process.
the. Okay.
It's okay, but you said wrong. It's
Okay,
very
what is
wrong.
that? Can you please?
Okay, it's a process where plants take in light energies,
And
carbon dioxide,
Mm.
and then converts it into oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oh, exactly the same thing. Little bit, yeah.
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 Minu
yeah.
was a
Finding
little
wrong.
bit right when she said process and all, but
Okay.
So
Already
now-
on the track.
Now the third question is, of course, since we are an Indian, so number of state and union territories in India. What are the number of states which you have in India and union territories in India?
Oh my.
त्यस्तो त
How many states are there in India?
अहिले भन न त
29.
Australia.
29 states because
Correct.
two is like added
Okay,
later.
that is correct.
Correct.
And union territories, how many?
थाहा Thasana mana te.
Few.
Think.
Yeah, Andaman and
We will
Nicobar.
give you a
Think,
hint.
think.
It's a few territories.
Few, not more than. Okay, we'll give you in numbers. Not more than 10. It's less than 10.
7.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yay!
You
So
should
see, we
find-
should give.
you
we
should find
give
first.
you-
Okay, third.
This is
fourth.
fourth.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fourth question.
Very
Wow,
easy.
very easy. Even class 5 guys.
Seven
Green.
11 colors in rainbow.
Yellow, green,
Indigo.
orange,
Yeah. Indigo. Viv.
Yeah.
violet,
Violet. Okay.
white.
Yeah, white. And
There's
green.
no white.
Green. Okay.
Please count also, no? How many we said?
Okay.
How many we said?
5.
We said 5.
Blue.
Vigor. Yeah, Vigor.
Yeah. How many?
Orange. Red. And
Tell from
Okay. So it's
Vigor.
Viv Cure.
mm,
V
Viv
is
Cure.
for violet.
yeah, violet.
G for green.
Green.
Okay,
yeah.
we said green.
Green.
I for indigo.
Indigo.
B
Orange.
for blue.
Blue.
Okay.
Red. R for red. G. Y for yellow.
Mhm.
O for orange. And R for red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Half a point.
Number fourth. Yeah. So this is the fourth question for you guys. Can anyone say who is the first mountaineer of the world?
Edmund Hillary.
Great.
Yeah! I'm proud of you.
Oh my god, you'll be the winner.
Okay. So
You already
number-
winner. Next question.
Next question. All of us, we know this one.
We don't know, only you guys know.
Yeah.
What is the capital of Australia?
Oh, capital of Australia? Australia ne hola?
Sydney.
Wrong.
Action. Australia.
थाहा छैन मलाई.
Action. Can we just have the first letter?
No way. What
At least first letter.
First letter. Just the first letter.
We don't know.
C.
See?
Action. Just a second.
थाहा छैन मलाई. सोध्नेले के हो भन्दैछ साइडमा.
Australia. C.
मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't want to use my brain. Okay, you don't know. Go ahead.
Okay,
What's
fine.
the answer?
Go ahead. What's the answer?
Canberra.
Huh?
Canberra.
Oh,
Okay, fine.
I
Okay.
didn't know.
And so,
Already won.
so
How many?
for the another question for you guys is, which is the smallest bird in the world? Very small. Smallest bird in the world.
No.
Think.
You can guess and tell.
Banana.
Take your time.
Sparrow.
No.
No.
Woodpecker.
No.
Woodpecker is very big.
Smallest.
Bird, yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
Butterfly.
Bird.
Okay.
Bird.
No.
Give up? Or
No.
Yes, give up.
Pass.
So the smallest bird in the world is hummingbird.
Oh!
It was very
How
easy.
can we miss this?
So the fifth question. How many questions are left, guys?
Now, Darjeeling question.
Okay.
Full form of HMI.
HMI?
Very easy.
HMI is what?
It's
It's a retail shop.
No, it's not.
What is that?
Just a second. Hills Mountaineering Institute.
Wrong.
somewhere.
Mountaineering Institute is the
Yeah, it's
same.
right.
It's right, but H is wrong, right?
Hillary. Hello.
Henry.
Okay,
Then-
2 more chance. Here.
Hormone.
No.
Henry.
Hillary.
Heels.
I said hills, no?
Okay. HMI. Mountain.
खलास
Just a second. Wait. Last
Tick
chance.
tick one. Tick
को
tick two.
रुबालीले सबै रन्जितालाई भनिदिँदैछ अन्त देखाउँदै
के हो?
Okay, fine. No
तर
problem.
भन्नु सकेन नि त.
Lubon.
हिमालयन माउन्टेनियरिङ
Oh shit! I was thinking hills on the Himalayan. No, I said. So this is the sixth question for you guys. Okay. What is the full form of SMH?
Huh?
SMH.
It's related to what?
रिलेटेड टु वाट
Related to your body part.
Yeah, related to your body part. Yeah.
Body part.
Yes.
समथिङ हर्मोनल
Not
No,
totally
no.
body part, but
It's
some
like,
body
you know,
part.
we use it in some chatting or when we are kind of, it's very.
When we are meeting someone or something.
Yeah,
We are giving a
exactly.
very nice hint, huh?
SMH
Yeah. When we meet someone, you know, we do that thing.
Full form.
Yeah, full form of S.
स्टेसन
I never
No,
heard
when
of
we
this.
meet someone, we do station.
गिभ अप
I've never heard of this. Why give up?
Think,
No,
think,
let's
it's
think.
okay. Think.
Okay, we will give you a hint, okay? If you meet someone, what you do first?
Smile.
Also, there is other thing.
Say.
ग्रीट
S for O.
Close to that.
Close to
Yeah,
that.
kind of great, but how? You greet. What you do?
Salute.
Give up.
से
No.
Say something.
Okay, give up.
गिभ अप वी गिभ
So
अप
much fun.
No. Fun
We
is
give
not
up.
H.
One.
Shaking my head.
I never heard of that. Okay, that's like.
I never
So
had-
it
never-
comes in
question
the
is-
short forms of LMAO, ROTFL, FL,
Yeah,
and
similar
shaking my
like
head, similarly.
That's
No,
what
the
I-
last.
Yeah.
That
So
is
the
made up
last-
just now.
हामीलाई सबैलाई इन्डिया इन्डिपेन्डेन्स भएको त यादै छैन वी नो द्याट
हजुर आमा त्यो त थाहा छ नि
त्यो त एकदम थाहा छ नि
मिनुले त जितेको पनि थियो होइन डान्स उयो सो त्यसमा इन्डिया रिपब्लिक पनि भएको थियो वेन वाज इन्डिया गट फुल्ली इन्डिपेन्डेन्स
26th January त्यो त थाहा छ
19
year चाहिँ 1950 होला है 50
करेक्ट त्यति बेला चाहिँ ब्रिटिस वाज किक्ड आउट फ्रम इन्डिया
Thank you. So
So guys,
the point.
you got photosynthesis wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
Almost.
One of the Australia wrong, and then the this one. So 4 right, 3 wrong.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's
So the last question is hottest planet in the solar system.
Hottest planet.
Yes, planet in the solar
त्यो
system.
यस्तो रिङ भएको के पो?
Neptune, right?
होइन
No.
यस्तो यस्तो
We will give you
Uranus,
2
No.
chance. No.
Sun.
No.
हटेस्ट प्लानेट यस्तो 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 स्याटर्न के भन्छ नि यस्तो रिङ भएको है स्याटर्न
No.
Hottest planet.
In the solar system.
मर्क्युरी अर्थ मार्स
Earth.
No.
मर्क्युरी
No.
Okay.
Saturn.
No. It's not right.
मर्क्युरी भिनस अर्थ मार्स जुपिटर Which one is closest to
उपाले
sun?
यो चाहिँ राइट गर है फेरि
Guess.
Venus.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah!
Okay.
How many?
Wait. You answered hottest planet. You answered number of states, national motto, and 4
They were
movie.
wrong in hummingbird and SMH. Okay.
Four.
And they were
No.
wrong.
SMH is like
No, they
not
are
relevant.
5.
Yeah,
तपाईहरु
they
5 वटा आन्सर गर्नु
How many?
हामीले 4 टा
Chakta. Okay, fine. Then
So we are the winner.
Yeah. So winner. Okay.
We are the winner! Yeah! Give me five.
Darjeeling rocks.
ए हामी चाहिँ पाकिस्तानी पो
No.
Okay guys, now I'm ending my video here and I hope you guys enjoyed. And अरु त अब हामी कति ज्ञानी रहेछ भनेर थाहा पायो होला हैन अन्त को चाहिँ विनर हो होइन ए थाहा पाइहाल्यो हो अब
Just a single mistake we did, but still it's okay.
स्टिल इट्स ओके है के छ अब फेरि
Half
फेरि
marks
पनि
है।
अब नेक्स्ट टाइम के बनाउनु कस्तो बनाउनु
But we enjoy doing this.
नेक्स्ट टाइम पनि मेरोमा आइडिया छ होइन यस्तै नै तर यो चाहिँ जेनरल नलेज होइन इट्स अ पर्सनल क्वेसन्स अन्त जसले जान्दैन त्यसलाई चाहिँ आटामा मैदामा टोको
पहिला रिभिल
जो- जसले-
नगर नेक्स्ट को भिडियोको त पहिला रिभिल
ए
गर्नु पर्दैन
होइन त्यस्तो फर इक्जाम्पल
Okay.
So yeah, but still, guys, suggest, okay, and if you have any comments, so do drop down any comments if you like. If you don't like anything about us or the vlogs, let us know so that we'll be better next time.
SMS
Okay.
भन्ने चाहिँ मैले कहिले
So
सुनेको थिइनँ है
yeah, till then.
Shaking your head. Today's vlog
Shaking
is
my
like
head.
shaking my head.
Bye bye.
SMS.
So like, like, share,
होइन मैले गर्न लाइक सेयर कमेन्ट एन्ड सब्सक्राइब ल
1, 2, 3.
तँ भन् लाइक भनेर पनि
लाइक
सेयर
Comment.
Subscribe. Ding the gem. Bye.
आज त टुक्क जुत्तो
Good night.
Do I'm back.
मिनु अस्ति जस्तो तैँले टेक